Yeah, look at this. I noticed because it is um, a squirrel, a squirrel and a bird eating together peacefully. Isn't that something, huh? Like they don't mind each other. They don't mind that each other's there eating. Oh, wow, there are two doves. Cool. No, three. Wow. Well, because I did not notice that. So there are three doves and one squirrel. Isn't that so cute, huh? And Shadow's over here looking at him. Shadow, Shadow, Shadow. Hey, baby. Shadow. You know, he don't want to pay attention to me. He is too busy watching the birds and the squirrel. Look at his tail wagging. Shadow. Hey, Shadow. No, you're not going to look at Mama? Shadow. Shadow, say hi to everybody on YouTube. Shadow. No. Now P is too busy watching the birds and the squirrel. Oh, look at them. And then there are some birds up on the feeder. Whoops. Try to get to the feeder. There we go. Yeah, but that's something though, seeing the squirrel and the birds, eating together peacefully. Okay, well, I figured I'd show you guys. Okay, I'll see if Shadow wants to say bye. Shadow, say bye. Shadow. Shadow. No. No, he's too busy watching the bird and the squirrels. Okay, I'll see you guys later. Bye bye.